Welcome to English Conversation Mastery. Today we will learn about essential cooking verbs. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. Bake. She loves to bake cookies on Sunday afternoons. The bread needs to bake for 45 minutes at 350. Boil. Please boil the potatoes until they are tender. The recipe says to boil the pasta for 10 minutes. Chop. Can you chop the onions for the salad? He chopped the carrots into small pieces for the stew. Fry. Fry the eggs until the edges are crispy. She prefers to fry her chicken in olive oil. Grill. Let's grill some steaks for dinner tonight. He grilled the vegetables until they were charred and smoky. Roast. Roast the turkey for about 3 hours. They love to roast marshmallows over the campfire. Sauté. Sauté the garlic in butter until it's golden brown. She decided to sauté the mushrooms with onions for the pasta. Steam. Steam the broccoli for about 5 minutes. He prefers to steam her vegetables with herbs and lemon. Whisk. Whisk the eggs until they are light and fluffy. She used a fork to whisk the dressing for the salad. Blend. Blend the ingredients until you have a smooth mixture. She decided to blend the soup for a creamier texture. Peel. Please peel the potatoes before boiling them. He peeled the apples for the pie. Dice. Dice the tomatoes for the salsa. She diced the onions into tiny cubes. Grate. Grate the cheese over the pasta. He carefully grated the lemon zest for the cake. Marinate. Marinate the chicken overnight for the best flavor. She marinated the beef in soy sauce and garlic. Simmer. Let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. He allowed the soup to simmer on low heat. Slice. Slice the bread evenly for sandwiches. She sliced the cucumber into thin rounds. Stir. Stir the soup occasionally to prevent it from sticking. He stirred the batter until it was smooth. Braise. Braise the lamb until it is tender. He braised the vegetables in broth for extra flavor. Toast. Toast the bread until it is golden brown. She toasted the nuts in the oven. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions slowly over low heat. She caramelized the sugar for the flan. Mash. Mash the potatoes until they are smooth and creamy. He mashed the bananas for the bread. Drizzle. Drizzle olive oil over the salad before serving. She drizzled honey on the yogurt for added sweetness. Mince. Mince the garlic finely before adding it to the sauce. She minced the herbs to sprinkle over the finished dish. Scramble. Scramble the eggs in a hot pan until cooked through. She likes to scramble her eggs with cheese and spinach.